Umphniang ba kejelau konrad ke sangma halo kejingsha thambol jongu hasor tura hakami jongka arpsau trik mentau benai ulakiar banjer kerteng isan san perthei bat pauru baki brio ki bawan thaw jingklumar hakachaka ba penlong jelang kiseng phalang halo kejingdawa kiseng phalang kidei ki brio ki bawat kiseng phalang ru kim ithu setiayaki halor Kadei ke jingsha kawang mau ke caka penlong ke jinglang konran hadien ke jingla bante lakam de kipulet ban penprai upai ba bat hadien arkanta lala bante lakam bat ula betharu kipulet bakim de ben penon kam de kitiar siat re tangda kilati bat ula penpau bau penrem jur ya Kadei ke jingja sha Atiar mau nomor bawat ya kakalikit nongpang kitik pai ba bam ithu kim siam lamap setia habai krem bakilat thai kubor konran ulong hadien bala jai ke jingja nakaliang kipulet kilalap ya kimau bala lumthup harangkat bat Umphniang Sharak bat kidieng bat kani kapin I bakalade ke jingthmu lupa ban thaw ke jingklumar ha Kadei ke caka.
When we looked at the available evidence on the spot after the incident happened, when they actually went in and studied the entire location, that's when evidence started coming out that there was already stones piled up. There was already kerosene and petrol collected out there, because I think there were some bottles and some containers that were still left there. There was already evidence of sticks being collected. So all these aspects then led to the conclusion that it was pre-planned. So it is only after the situation happened and when the police went to see that spot where the incident took place, all these leftovers that were there led to the conclusion that it was pre-planned. But as I said, it is not for me to give any conclusion on any of the situations. There is a process, there is a procedure, there is a system of doing things. We should allow the police agencies to do their job and let us see what the investigations come out with. And it should be done in an independent manner, which I was very, very, very particular about from the beginning. I told the SP and others that we will not use excessive force. We're not going to use weapons. We'll control the crowd, use the minimum force required, which is whatever tear gas or at the most lathi can be used, but no weapons that will be in any way lethal cannot be used. I was very particular, and with that limited option, the police was able to control things, and in a matter of 2-3 hours, we were more or less in a controlled situation. And beyond that, then after that, the NGOs were still inside. I just want to also share with you that all the NGO leaders who were there, they could not leave. They were concerned, they were worried. They themselves said, "Sir, we cannot leave." And they asked for security. And at the end, we provided them escort to go. And I waited there, and even the injured who were there, the police, which again is a very, very unfortunate thing, and I condemn this. It's not about my being there as Chief Minister, but what happened to the armed forces, what happened to the police, who were really there to do their duty and protect, had to go through all of that, and that is really something that I was very, very unhappy about. And I was there when they were being stone pelted and when they got hurt. And what upset me even more was that when the ambulance was going to drop them to the hospital, even that ambulance was attacked. And we know as individuals that even in war time, if ambulance is going, we don't never attack an ambulance. We let that ambulance go. So it was very, very sad to see the kind of thing. And that ambulance could have been anybody. It could have been an old person in the ambulance. It could have been a mother in the ambulance. It could have been a small child in the ambulance. So, it was very unfortunate that it went to that extent, and you could see the kind of, intention that they came with was very wrong. Because as I said, if you look at the whole situation, if the NGOs are saying these were not their people, then who were these people? So obviously there has to be some kind of a system to find out who was there, who are these people, and what was their intention. So therefore, yes, initially, prima facie, there looks like a very kind of a complicated situation, and which may require further investigation. But at this point in time, I would say that let the police do its job, and then we will see how to move.
Take the first step towards a healthier future by scheduling your consultation at the Shillong Heart Clinic located at Nongrim Hills, Shillong. Call or leave a message at 98630-50899 to book your appointment with Dr. Sunrang Bhattian Wadri, an interventional cardiologist. The clinic operates from Monday to Saturday with working hours from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.